In today's video, guys, I'm gonna make a song with Super Keenan. I basically just told him we're gonna make a song, and it's gonna be terrible. But what I did, the first step, is I searched for beats, and obviously, I'm the music person, so I chose this beat right here. Went to a converter and downloaded it. I went into Audacity. If you want to make music, this is free. Just go onto the website, and yeah, I just imported the beat right here. Import the beat, and I'm gonna let Keenan record his part first, and then I'll record my part after, and let's just see how this turns out. So basically what you want to do first is you go to tracks, add new mono track, and then you can record. Is this gonna be fire? Vote in the comment section who did best. Yo, Red, you ain't got the goddamn grip. How your stupid videos.
Yes, I suck at this. I've never done this before.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you're gonna suck.
No, sure.
Bro, you're not gonna be professional. Wait, are you? You're not gonna be
Shut up.
Exactly.
I have to restart now because you just goddamn threw me off.
What did I do? It's 1 AM, by the way.
Yo, Red, with the Among Us content, you ain't got the goddamn.
That's some fire balance. You're gonna upload that. You're gonna get millions of views. You're the reason this video is getting views. Alright, go again.
Yo, I'm going to go ahead and make some Minecraft content instead of you making Among Us content. It's really garbage. All you do is show around. All you know about tips and tricks and how to get some stuff. Bro, no one cares. You are pretty good. No.
Like, you can keep that and just edit the part that you don't like.
Okay. You get goddamn views, get 300 views. Every single one of those videos you ever get, you're gonna get all the views. Only play for like you get good, you are so garbage. I can even beat you with that nice look. That is every day, bro.
It's my turn now. So basically, I'm just gonna kill this beat. Just embarrass this guy. Alright, here we go.
First time ever doing this, by the way. This is me.
I am not a noob, yo. I'm going to roast you like a chicken. I can't do it. Wait.
Bro, you noob.
I am not a noob, yo. I'm going to roast you. That was kind of a failure. We're gonna start this again, okay?
Everyone call child abuse, please.
Wait.
Trash. That is every day, bro. You noob.
Yo, I am not a noob. I'm going to. I can't speak, okay? Don't bully me.
So trash. That is every day, bro. You noob.
I am not a noob, I'm going to roast you. You say I get no views. Look at your channel, yeah. Look at mine. 16K1 video. Look at yours. You don't have that on your whole channel. And you are a mammal. You're supposed to have a brain bigger. This is terrible now. This is terrible. This was a bad idea. This was a very bad idea. You are a mammal. You're supposed to have a brain bigger. Oh my god. I should have added bigger than a camel right here. I missed out on that opportunity. On your whole channel. And you're supposed to be a mammal. I think you should go and get a final to erase all the stuff you said in this track. I can't even rap. Oh, I know what to say. Bro, I know what to say. This isn't finished yet. And you're supposed to be a mammal. I think you should go and get a final to erase all the stuff you said in this track. I can't even rap, but I'm planning to attack. Yeah. Okay. I think this song is starting to turn around here. Wait. I think you should go and get a final to erase all the stuff you said in this track. I can't even rap, but I'm planning to attack. You made your channel years before mine, and I got more views quicker than I could run a lap. Yeah, I'm planning to attack. I can't even rap, I just do this for okay guys, so I'm using the free version of Bandicam, and basically it stopped recording, but this is what I added. My editing skills aren't great, but I do it by myself. I used YouTube to get the help. You can't do it by yourself, you get someone else to do it for you, cause you need the help. Get the help. You can't do it. Get exposed. No, I'm not even finished yet, bro. I got more stuff to add to this. Wait, it'll probably be your turn soon though. Let me just.
No, I think it'll be good if.
Let me just. You just got flamed. It's your turn now, bro. So you need to add another track again. Add new mono track. So you know how to use the program now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, start.
I mean, I used it like. Really think I have an editor when I edit my own videos, bruh. You might think that I'm lazy, yo, but I actually edited my latest video, even though that I was just lazy. All I did was clip out some stuff and add some music, but that was the first time I ever edited my video. And that's the end of that music.
It's actually good now.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, pass me then. I was not aware of this. I would have carried on if I knew this, but basically we've run out of the beat. The beat, it wasn't big enough for us, okay? We got too many lyrics. We're famous rappers, okay? We're very famous on YouTube's, on Spotify. We're getting millions of views every year. But we were very unaware of this, okay? So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I know our lyrics, they're amazing, bro. We're gonna be famous. You don't need to tell us that in the comments. So yeah, that's the video. I'm gonna add effects and stuff like that just to make it sound better. And yeah, here we go. So we're gonna listen to this back, and just basically this is what reverb does.
Every day, bro.
I am not on you, but I'm going to roast you. You say I get no views. Look at your channel, yeah. Look at mine. 16K1 views. Let's just see like the difference on the reverb. I am not on you, but I'm going to. It sounds better without reverb, but normally reverb actually improves it. So we're gonna try something else. Gonna try to add a fade in. I am not on you, but I'm going to. Let's see the difference. I am not on you, but I'm going to. Basically, I've just decided I can't be bothered to add effects, so we're gonna finish the video here, okay? I'm feeling a bit lazy. It's nearly 2 AM. Yeah, we kind of need to sleep, so I'm gonna end this here, and you guys better like this video. Get 20 likes for part 2, okay? And that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe. Actually, don't subscribe because this is a terrible video. And yeah, bye. I just gained some information. Apparently, you need to subscribe to Super Keenan. His link will be in the description, okay? Here's the other person in this video. Bye.
Yo, I am going to go ahead and make some Minecraft content instead of you making Among Us content. That is really garbage. All you do is show around all your goddamn tips and tricks and how to get some stuff. Bro, no one goddamn cares. You only get goddamn views. I only get 300 views. Every single Among Us video you ever get, you only get 400 views. You noob, you only play Fortnite, you noob. Get good, you are so garbage, dude. I can even beat you with my eyes closed, dude. I know when you are so trash. That is every day, bro, you noob.
I am not a noob, I'm going to roast you. You say I get no views, look at your channel, yeah. Look at mine, 16k1 video, look at yours. You don't have that on your whole channel, and you're supposed to be a mammal. I think you should go and get a final to erase all the stuff you said in this track. I can't even rap, but I'm planning to attack. You made your channel years before mine, and I got more views quicker than I could run a lap. Yeah, I'm planning to attack. I can't even rap, I just do this for fun. My editing skills aren't great, but I do it by myself. I used YouTube to get the help. You can't do it by yourself. You hire someone and you do not pay a fee. They do that for free. Yeah, I just exposed you. You just got flamed. It's your turn now, bro. I'm gonna pass it to you.
Really think I have an editor when I edit my own videos, bro. You might think that I'm lazy, yo, but I actually edited my latest video, even though that